Hey there! Earning rewards on your SoFi credit card and ready to cash in? Redeeming your points is flexible and can be especially valuable when you use them to boost your financial goals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to redeem. In the SoFi app, go to your credit card account and find the Rewards section. You'll see several options. The most popular and valuable is to redeem points as a statement credit, deposit into your SoFi Invest account, or use them to make extra payments on your SoFi loan. You can also use points for travel or gift cards, but the value is often higher when used for financial products. My crucial pro tip? Redeem points to pay down debt or invest. If you have a SoFi loan, using points to make extra payments is like getting a discount on your debt. Redeeming into SoFi Invest turns your spending into invested dollars. These options typically give you the best value per point. That's how you make your credit card work directly toward building your net worth. Do you redeem rewards as soon as you can, or do you let them accumulate for a specific goal? Share your strategy in the comments. For more guides on maximizing rewards, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.